Hi everyone, it's Karen. I am back with another video. It's been a little bit and I'm kind of been going crazy. So luckily, I was kind of not, my mojo was not there and I don't know why, but I would stare at paper and I just could not make something to save my life. So then my paper pumpkin came and I sat yesterday all day staring at it more, staring at it. Oh, that was 2 days ago. Yesterday, looked at it and I stared at it again and I said, I need to just not look at what they want me to do. And although I love those, I need to figure it out. So I am just going to stare at this until I do. So I know that everyone in the world has shown what comes in the box, and I should have taken a picture, but I just took everything apart as soon as I got it because I needed to. I needed a creative mental health day, and I got it. So this is what came in the kit, and you could make 5 and 5. Oh no, 4 and 4, and there were 8 envelopes. And then there were little pearl dots and twine, which was really pretty because it had the gold in it. I did use a couple of things that did not come in the kit, but basically black paper, white paper, a white gel pen, a couple of different color sequins, but nothing outrageous that you'd have to go and shop for it. So I do want to tell you that this kit that we got matches this kit that is in the catalog. They both say hooray, they're both cool together. And it comes with a stamp that says hooray. So if you're into the whole hooray thing, you can stamp it in whatever color for a graduate to match their school, whatever, a job, all those things. It is on page 69 in the catalog. And these over here are the stamps. And this is what you can do with them. So anyway, I have 5 alternate cards, and I had ordered 2 paper pumpkin kits, and I thought one I'll do the alternates and then the other one will go step by step and look at everything. And after I've totally torn my kit apart and used it almost all up, well no, there's still some stuff left, I never got my second pumpkin. So unfortunately I cannot show you. I can talk about it and we can look at it and see what I did do, but we can't make it together step by step, and I'm sorry. So let's just start showing you. I'm just gonna turn you down. All right, so my first one, now again, I'm gonna wear glasses because you don't have to look at me. So this one that I made, this little ladder looking thing, maybe I need you up a little bit. Let's do it this way and I'll take these off. Okay, so this white thing that looks like a ladder is what the little strips came in for you to do your stamping on. They were just little white strips that fit right in here. And I then just took the green, yes, the green sticky paper that came. It's like a sticky tag. And I just kind of weaved it in and out and through that little stamp. So I took this and I weaved it through. And it's actually a banner. It has a banner on the bottom. And then I took some of the balloons, which there are still more in here, and I have a really cute idea for them. Yeah, but I don't know where they are. Anyway, I used the black stripe paper, I used the twine, and I stamped all the sentiments that were in there except for the cake. And that is my number 1. My number 2. This is my number 2. And I got this shape by cutting up the envelope, so it's the round part on the envelope that you lick. And I attached that to just like a little piece of a card. And then I mounted it on black paper, put some sequins of the other thing that I only have a few colors, but they look good with this. So anyway, so I made it a gatefold. So I will put white paper in there so a sentiment can be put in there. But if you just tuck this in like that, it kind of, oh, missing a cake, hang on. Here we go. It kind of holds it shut for you until you send it in the mail. So that is number 2. Number 3, this is actually the first, well, almost half of the, oh, now I know where my sequin goes. One of my sequins fell off, and now I know where it is. Oh, this is going to be off, but it was right here. In this one, I took the marquee type thing with the white, which I guess was wrong. It should have been black, but I'm glad it was white because I think I like that better. I used my gold Hooray. I took the twine, and before I glued, oh, this is the envelope, actually. The whole white part is the envelope. It had like a lighter green, and I thought it looked really cute with the green. So that is the envelope. This is the card. The twine, before I put the envelope on, I wrapped it around the back so you don't have to look at it. I added 3 sequins with 3 little pearls on them, and that is card 3. Number 4 was also a fan favorite of mine, and this, oh, another sequin fell off. I'm not very good at attaching them. I think I need to fix it. Okay, it's fixed. This one I did, and I didn't put anything on it because I think I'm just going to make it like a guy's birthday cake. But the way that I got this design, I can show you that, is I was very all planned out, and then my son came home, and I don't know if you guys put videos up, but I cannot make a video if someone in my house is home. I don't know why. It's like an illness, I think. I don't know what it is. But where are all my, I was so organized, you guys were going to be shocked. And I say you guys by like the 10 people that follow me. So all 10 of us, and I think I'm including myself in there. Anyway, when you cut a strip and you cut another, if you cut strips, if you turned one upside down and you butt them together, they make the cutest, hold on, let me look in my eyes, wait a minute. Yeah, they kind of offset each other, and it makes like a little zigzaggy, spaced out kind, just to make it look a little different. So I covered the whole card, and I shouldn't have. I should have just done 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom because I wasted everything inside. But I did put this on a white card that I had in my stash. And when I say my stash, hold on. I know it's not in a bottle, and you would think I would learn from my lessons, but I don't. When I say my stash, my Stampin' Up! Stash is a lot of old stamps. Not like old and decrepit, but now that I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I can't use my old sets because people can't get them. So I'm trying to show you things that you can get so that you would, find them easily. So I have so many stamps, and when I explained to my husband that I was making a card and I said I needed a certain saying, and he said, don't any of those say that? And I said, well, yeah, but I can't use those. And he said, so you mean to tell me that the boxes and boxes of stamps that you have, you can't use? And I said, yeah. And he said, oh, yeah. And you're pretty much your only customer. And I said, yeah. He said, okay, I'm just trying to, okay. So anyway, he's a good guy and is not complaining yet. Until he sees the Discover bill. Anyway, so I then cut out a piece of white paper thin. I inked it with black on both sides. I used one of the black marquees that I guess were supposed to come. They were all supposed to be black, but some weren't, and I'm kind of happy about it. And I then just mounted my cake on the dimensionals. I added 5 sequins because I don't know if you know about this, but I learned it in art school. Not art school, art class. that anything odd is more pleasing to the eye, and you also want to try and make all of your work a triangle. Thought I'd share. And I guess that's it. Oh, the gold. First, I tried really hard, and I did get some. When my gold thing that says hooray first came, I slivered down the sides to get the gold strips. And you can even cut circles out of here or whatever shapes. And I did have a piece of gold foil, and I said that would be a lot easier. So I did use gold foil from my craft room. And so that is card number 4. Card number 5. I was looking at one of the cards, and I had, it was green. So I had a piece on it like this, and it kind of, oh, maybe it was up higher. It looked like a picket fence to me. So I thought, oh, well, I will just cut little triangles, and I did that, and it kind of came out like, I don't know where the easiest place to show you. It's not on black. Anyway, so if you can see, I did cut the triangles, and I put them this way, and I still thought it looked like a picket fence. So I am going to use it, but I'm trying to borrow the lemon lime color cardstock, because like a lot of people, I don't own all the cardstock from Stampin' Up! Yet. So anyway, I will be making a couple more, because I do have ideas for the rest of them. Anyway, after I thought it looked like a fence, and I put that aside because I wasn't sure what I was going to do, I used the bigger portion and did the same thing, and I kind of made, it looked to me like a bakery shop, and in the window with cakes, and I just shadowed the cakes a little bit to give them like a point of light, so, you know, so it would look a little bit more round. These little guys I did cut out of, out of my little kit. This was Cake Soiree, and I'm telling you, if I buy the stamp set, it retires. So anything, you tell me what you want retired, guarantee you if I buy it, it will retire. Anyway, the dimensionals that go with that have a, yeah, this is from the Not Prepared chart. The ones that go with that are from the Sweet Cake Framelits, and they have just a little cake stand thing. So I cut 3 of those out, and you can easily cut a circle in half and then cut a thin strip and make it, I mean, I just felt good knowing that I used one of the recent purchase I made now that it's retired. So anyway, after when I turned that upside, I just felt like it looked like a bakery. I know the hooray doesn't make much sense, but it was in the kit, so I used it, and I'll use it for a birthday cake, birthday card. But those are my 5, and I will lay them out and show you again. And I really hope you try the pumpkin, paper pumpkin. I have, I think, last October through now, this is the only kit that I've really even worked with, because I was nervous, I was trying to do everything else, but after playing with this and not doing the cards that were given to me, even though they are great cards, but it's been so long since I've made cards or scrapbook that I just felt lost, and it made a big difference to just dump it all out and figure it all out. So maybe, you know, if you end up little not sure or stuck or in a rut or got your mojo gone, just dump stuff out and stare at it, even if it's for 2 days, and make your family eat in a different room, because your craft room is such a mess, you can't work at your own table. So that is it. I will show you my 5. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week and a great weekend. So thanks for coming by. Thanks for being one of the 2 people besides me that looks at my videos. And if you want to be my second shopper through Stampin' Up, give me a call, let me know, and you and I can just be the whole fan base of Karen's Stampin' Up career. So anyway, here they are. I hope you can see them again. And have a great day. I appreciate you stopping by.